Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Kevin in Virginia on this raffle winning Galaxy DX98 VHP. Kevin got it ready to go for you. You said it was going to be all radio for you, so let me show you what we got. 100 watt slug, about 8 watts all the way down, right at 40 all the way up. Roll it back down here some. Average power. Auto. 100 watts in the corner. To the peak. 5x position. Low. At 235, 240 peak watts. Alright, Kevin, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy this raffle winning 98 from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye-bye.